We've all heard the stories. We've all seen the pictures. This mysterious being that they are calling the Haxton Ukulele Elf. Well, tonight on one of nature's mysteries, we are going to explore the very infamous exploits of this mysterious creature. Is it myth? Or is it just magically real? Well, we're going to find out tonight on one of nature's mysteries.
Legend tells of a mysterious creature that lurks in the suburbs of Haxton, Colorado. People are calling it the Ukulele Elf. Why? Because it has a ukulele, and it looks like an elf. For many years, this town has lived in the shadow of fear at its very name. Will it ever be caught? Maybe. Maybe not.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, Marcy just called me and said that it was a really weird.
Witnesses claim to have many photos of it. Are they real or are they not? The few that have gotten them have disappeared.
Here's another real-life, on-set interview from one of our petrified witnesses.
It's real, I saw it.
Came in yesterday, played one note, and then left.
I saw him again.
Where did he go? Where did he go?
They say he's everywhere.
Yeah, it is.
And so as we conclude another one of tonight's broadcasts on one of nature's mysteries, let us reflect on what we have seen here today.
Came in yesterday.
I saw him again. Yeah. It's real, I saw it.
A legacy reflects that history is real. The legends that run, hide, and are not seen are also real. And so this show comes to a close. This show called One of Nature's Mysteries.